Hi, I'm Dr. Ravidi Sanayaka, Senior Lecturer, Department of Marketing Management University of Kelaniya, and I do work as the coordinator of MBA program. Today, we are having a wonderful day. Our batch 12 students, and thanks to Allenson Drill Company, they are having a real hands-on experience of what management and how it works today. And good to see that all the students are very enthusiastic and they were given good instruction by the company people, Allenson Drill Company, and now they are experiencing what is taught in the classroom and how it comes to the practice. So I think this is what they're expecting to have, and definitely I believe they will have some hands-on learning experience, plus they will bring into that learning to their corporate level decision making. Plus you can see over there now, it's over happening, and so no matter their age, experience, gender, whatever, and they are working as a one team. That's what we are expecting as a spirit of the leadership. And thanks to this wonderful company and the team, and this is what we expect. Hope definitely they will take this learning experience into their life and getting everything together, classroom learning and the practical exposure, and develop their attitude and finally impact their decision making for the company. So there you are. I think our next batch also will be very enthusiastic to come into for this one, and hopefully we are going to continue the same program, maybe different level of expectation for the future as well. Thank you very much.
I have been participated for more than 5 OBT programs in my previous careers, but this is one of the best. I told to my team members, if you remember when we are doing these activities, I told my team members, this is one of the best I participated, because when we are leaders, when we are in the corporate world, we participate many OBT programs, but those are just OBT programs. I have to tell that. I told my team members, I'm telling this because in strategic planning, when the situation changes, what we have to take and what we learn, you told us, and we learn a lot. I will definitely recommend this program for my company. I work for Diesel and Motor Engineering PLC. I definitely recommend your company. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks.
I am Shanaka Pereira. I am working for AkzoNobel Paints, Dulux, in Sri Lanka. Actually, we are from University of Kelaniya, MBA students. We are from corporate world. Actually, our team is comprising of 60 people, 60 and altogether 120 students from different companies, different background, different environments. I happen to participate for few outbound trainings in my organization, and those were actually 2-day programs, but this is a 1-day program, but it was well organized. Time management was well executed, and we were given hard training to be punctual on time activities, and we learned so much of new things. It was a totally a new experience for all of us, and I must really thank Allenson Drill, our trainers. They are well experienced. Actually, we all have talked each other. Actually, their level of experience, their competency of training people, developing people within a short period of time. It was a wonderful experience.
මම මගේ දරුවත් එක්ක යනවා කිඩ්ස් පාර්ක් වලට යනවා බෝලත් එක්ක සෙල්ලම් කරනවා හැම තැනකම කරනවා. අද ඔබතුමන්ලා එකතු වෙලා ඒ බෝලේ ඒ දැල ඒ හැමදේම තුලින් අපිට උගන්වන ලොකු පාඩමක්. ඒ හැමදේම ඇත්තටම අපේ ආයතනය තුල අපේ අතර ජීවත් වෙන සමාජය තුල අපේ පවුල තුල ගොඩක් වෙලාවට අපිට දකින්න පුළුවන්. We valued it lot.
මම ස්තුති කරන්න කැමතියි ඔබතුමන්ලා මේ වැඩේ පටන් අරගෙන අවසානයේ දක්වා ගිය ආකාරය පිළිබඳව
මේ ගැන කියද්දි මට ඉවෙන්ට් එකක් තියෙනවා ඇත්තටම මගේ ෆීල්ඩ් එකත් එක්ක මට හાર્ඩ්ලි දැනෙච්ච ලාස්ට් ඉවෙන්ට් එක අපි අර මේ මැට් එකක පොඩි කෑල්ල තියලා එකතු කරපු ඉවෙන්ට් එක ඒක කොච්චර ප්‍රැක්ටිකල්ද කියනවනම් අපි එක ෆ්‍රේම් එකකට හිර වෙලා ඉන්නේ මාසෙ මුල අපිට ටාගට් එකක් දුන්නොත් එහෙම 50 මිලියන් කරන්න කියලා අපි බලන්නේ කොහොමද 50 මිලියන් කරන්න කියලා නෑ එතන නෙමෙයි එතන 75 මිලියන් තියෙනවා 100 මිලියන් තියෙනවා ඒක කරන්න පුළුවන් කියන එක ඒක ඇත්තටම හරි ප්‍රැක්ටිකල් සේල්ස් ටීම් එකකට හරි වටින මැසේජ් එකක් ඒ දුන්නේ